Hello guys, welcome to another video. So I have another unboxing here for you guys, and it's another Nintendo Switch game. So this time I have Doom for the Nintendo Switch. I actually got this game for the PC, and it's actually a pretty awesome game. I'm hooked on it. It's pretty awesome. When I found out they were releasing Doom for the Switch, I got pretty excited, and I can't wait to see how this runs on the Switch. Now I know that the graphics are not going to be the same as a PC, and but just the experience, just be able to have this game and be able to take the Switch with you on the road and be able to play this game is actually pretty cool. So as you guys can kind of obviously see here, like any other game, you got the Nintendo Switch logo here. Of course, we got Doom. Then you get the awesome cover. Flip it over. Some awesome graphic over here. And of course, on here, for one player on the TV, you can play it in desktop mode for one player, and of course in portable mode in one player as well. And then of course we got one player offline, 4 to 12 players online, and I guess it requires one copy of the software per player. So I guess the 4 to 12 players, as you can, I'm guessing that you can actually get, if you got your friends have got Switches as well, and you can actually local play the 12 Switches together and be able to play in one little small little LAN network with all the Switches connected. So but each one's going to have its own copy of the game itself, and of course it supports the Pro Controller as well. So, oh, and then what's this say here? There's something on here that just caught my eye. I'll zoom in for you guys so you guys can take a better look, so you guys can actually, come on camera, focus, there it is. So it says on here, so the game requires a download of at least 10 gigabytes, so micro SD card recommended. Storage requirements may change. Visit Bethesda.net for details. So it's saying that you need 10 gigabytes. But I also heard that this download requirement, it's just for the online feature of the game. Now, is it going to be a mandatory download? We're going to find out. After I open this up, I'll pop the game card into the Switch, and then we'll see if this download is actually mandatory or not. So I'll just grab my knife here, and let's crack this open, and let's take a look what's inside. Okay. Let's pop this open, and so it's actually got some nice cover work here, and I'll zoom in so you guys can actually take a better look at it. There it is. And pretty cool. And of course we got the game cartridge here. It's got Doom on there. And of course, we've got the Nintendo logo over there, just like any other cartridge. So there it is. So let's grab the Switch and let's see if this mandatory download is actually mandatory or not. So I'll just pop this in here. And there it popped up there. So I'm going to zoom in this for you guys here. And let's start the game and see if there's a mandatory download. So it says new update is available. It will be downloaded now. So download it. Let's see how long this thing takes. Well, as you can see, I'll zoom in a little bit more. It says an hour and 18 minutes to download. So in other words, that 10 gigabyte is mandatory. Now the question is, while it's downloading, like what happened with the Monopoly for the Switch, which you'll have the video, which is the videos already live. As you saw in the video, the game would not load while the download was happening. Now there's games that allow you to play the game still while it's being downloaded and updated in the background. So let's find out if it's the case with this one over here. So I'll try to load it up and see what happens here. Looks like it's loading. And there it is. So this is one of those games that actually allow you to play it while it's being downloaded still. So it looks like there might be some motion controls. Let's see here, a software update is required. Please restart the software and perform a software update. So in other words, it partially started, but the update needs to happen. So I'm just gonna go later. See if it continues. Nope. So it's letting me. So you have to update it. So why would it start? I don't know. But after this finishes downloading, I'll showcase some of the gameplay. So I'm gonna cut the video now here, so it'll be just a snap for you guys, and we'll go from there. Okay, so it's finished downloading now, and let's try to start the game now. So it's asking for an update again. So I guess looks like there's some motion controls there, as I said earlier when we tried to launch it. And so I guess we have to accept the agreement. What's going on here? Select. Okay, what's going on here? Okay, what's going on here? Hey. Okay, so I couldn't get past that agreement screen. So basically what I had to do was I actually had to let's shut this off for a second. I actually had to hold the power button. Hold the power button down and keep holding it, keep holding it, keep holding it until the Nintendo Switch turns off. Then once it turns on, just power back on again, and then you should be able to select the agreements. Then you should be able to click continue and carry on. So it worked for me, and so the way I found that out, I actually had to go online to figure out what was going on, but it was just a glitch within the software. But it's all good to go now. So here it is. So I'm going to go into campaign here. Start campaign, and then of course, like in many other videos, I always like to start. It's just gonna be just a little view of the game here. I'm not gonna obviously show you guys full gameplay of this game here because it wouldn't be logical to do it this way. Obviously, it'd be better off with a capture card and things like that, but I don't want to turn this channel into a gaming channel unless you guys want me to. Or if you guys want me to start up another channel or something just dedicated for gaming, I can do that too as well. So, and let's show you a little bit of the game here, and that's it. As you can see, gameplay is kind of trying to see this from a different angle here. So anyway, as you can see, it plays pretty decent. But obviously, you can't compare this to a PlayStation 4 or anything like that.
They are rage, brutal, without mercy. But you will be worse. Rip and tear until it is done.
Or anything like that, or even a computer and stuff like that. So anyway, that's basically the unboxing of the Doom for Nintendo Switch. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. And just a reminder that I am giving away one of these, of course. Looking for 1,000 subscribers to activate the giveaway. And yeah, so that's it until the next video. Thank you.